stories. Lupita feared casts of the Oscars. That you get the first one and then that's it. You get it early in your career and then you're messed up.
What? The bat?
Oh gosh, are you still there? We moved on. We're on Lupita now.
We're on Lupita. I don't think so.
Yeah.
No, I don't think so. I think she still can be able to nail anything.
She could nail anything. She's an amazing actress, an amazing expresser. That's what got her all the awards in the first place. And she just has this attraction to her that makes people love her. Like she became the world's sweetheart instantly. But that doesn't take away from you being a good artist if you're not getting the next Oscar and the next Oscar, even nominations.
Yes.
And we have other brilliant actors who have never
gotten
won, like Leonardo DiCaprio.
I know he needs to
Al
win
Pacino only has one, people.
No, it's all right. Leonardo needs to win it.
Yes.
Yeah.
He needs to
Win something.
Somebody somewhere is not being nice.
I don't know.
Amazing role.
Yeah.
Okay. So you think she'll...
No, she if she maintains it, she knows her craft, and she's genuinely loving what she's doing.
Yes.
And she does it with a passion.
And she does projects that mean something to her. It's actually something I was talking about when she's doing the Queen of Katwe movie in Uganda with Mira Nair. Mira Nair is also the same way. She's an amazing director and producer, and it's because she does things she's passionate about. Her project, she'll never do anything commercial because it's going to be a box office hit.
Okay.
Yeah,
But usually they hit though.
They hit because if you put everything you have into something, you produce something so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Yes.
All right.